Hello students, 10th trigonometry exercise 8.2. Evaluate the following. Before evaluating these following problems, once again we will remind sine 0, 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 1. Cos 0, 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. Tan 0 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, tan 90 infinity. This particular table is sufficient to solve 8.2 exercise. First, let us look the first problem. First one in it. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Just substitution of values. As we know, sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 31 by 2 cos 61 by 2. Look at this, root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 2's 4, plus 1 1's by 2 2's 4. Just calculation. Problem 1 finished. 1 of 2. Second problem in first one. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 is given to solve. Tan square 45 means tan 45 whole square. Look at the next step. Cos 30 whole square, sin 60 whole square. Just substitution. 2 tan 45 is 1 whole square. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square, sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square. Just look at this to answer. Before entering into third problem, let us look at rationalization. Rationalization. If root values are there in denominator, those numbers are irrational numbers. First, we have to rationalize them. How to rationalize? For example, single surd in denominator, 1 by root 5, denominator with root value, that is irrational number. To rationalize, just we will multiply with root 5 by root 5. No change. Root 5 will be cancelled. But to rationalize this, we will multiply with the same, divide with the same. That is rationalization. 1 into root 5, root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Now no root value in denominator. Whenever in the problem calculation is looking like that, we have to go for rationalization. Few more single surd rationalizations are given in the page. Solve all as it is. Next, binomial surd in denominator. Binomial means two terms with plus or minus between. Before solving this, you should remind a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Look at an example. 1 by root of a plus root of b. Look, two terms are here with root, irrational numbers. At this time, you should think a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Look at this. 1 by root a plus root b into, because here root a plus root b is there, we will write root a minus root b by root a minus root b. Same. Root a minus root b into 1. That is root a minus root b. Look at this. This is looking like a plus b into a minus b. We will write this as root a whole square minus root b whole square. A square minus b square formula. In a place root a is there. In b place root b is there. While writing a square minus b square is written as root a whole square minus root b whole square. Numerator as it is, square root cancel, a minus b. Solve other same examples in the page. Whenever there is a root number, irrational number in denominator, we should rationalize it. This is the method of rationalization. Trigonometry, 10th, 8.2 exercise, problem 1 of 3. Look at the problem. Cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Just the substitution of their values. Cos 45 1 by root 2 divided by long by should be kept here. Secant 30 2 by root 3. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 2 by root 3. The same way sin 30 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 2 by 1. Look at this. 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Look at the next step. Denominator fraction is reversed. 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Take care. 1 into root 3 is root 3 by, look, inside bracket 2 2's are there. We can take common 2 out. So 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3 will remain there. Just that only. Root 3 plus 1 we have written here. 1 plus root 3 or root 3 plus 1 are same. Now look at the denominator. Looking with the irrational number in the denominator. Now we will go for rationalizing it. For rationalizing, we have root 2 into root 3 plus 1 in the denominator. Just root 2 into root 3 minus 1 by root 2 into root 3 minus 1. As we solved in the earlier page, just look at this. Next, root 2 as it is taken out, root 3 into root 3 is 3, 1 into root 3 is root 3. Look at the denominator. 2, root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 3 plus 1, a plus b into a minus b, like root 3 whole square minus 1 square. That is root 2 into 3 minus root 3 by 4 of square root cancel 3 minus 1. That is 2, 2 4 8 denominator. 3 root 2 minus root 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Now, denominator is clear with rational number. Hence, the problem is finished. Look at the fourth problem. 1 of 4. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Just substitution. Sin 30 1 by 2 plus tan 45 1 minus cosecant 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. By secant 30 cos 30 root 3 by 2. Secant 30 2 by root 3. Cos 60 1 by 2. Cot 45 1 by 1. Tan 45 1. Cot 45 1 by 1, that is 1 only. Just 1 plus half, 1 and half, that is 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 root 3 plus half plus 1 is 1 and half, that is 3 by 2 only. In the numerator, purely look at the numerator. 3 into root 3 minus 2 to 4 by 2 root 3 by 3 root 3 plus 4 by 2 root 3. That is 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Looking root value in denominator, immediately we should go for rationalization. Look, 3 root 3 plus 4 is in the denominator. We will write 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4 as it is. Look at the topper one. 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 will become 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. 3 root 3 into 4 minus 4 root 3. 4 3 is 12 root 3. That calculation gives you 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3 by, look at the denominator, a plus b into a minus b is looking. So, whole square is applied. 9 3 is 27 minus this one after calculation 16. That is 43 minus 24 by root 3 by 11. Look, 11 is rational. Hence, the problem is clear. Now, pause the video. Start to solve the problem. If you have any confusion, it will be the calculation is available in Shooter 2, Math Shooter 2. Trigonometry, 10th standard, 8.2 exercise, problem number 5 of 1. Look at this, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Look, 5 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Square is there, 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into secant square 30 cos 30 root 3 by 2 secant 30 2 by root 3 secant square 30 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 1 square divided by sin 31 by 2 sin square 1 by 2 whole square cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Let us look at this. 1 square is 1, 5 ones 5, 2 square is 4, 5 by 4. Second step, 4 by 3, 2 square 4, root 3 square is 3, 4 by 3 into 4, 16 by 3, minus 1 square is 1. By, go for a big by here, dividing two fractions. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square 3 by 4. That is equal to, look, 4 3 LCM is 12, just addition of the fractions, then minus 1. We can get the value overall 67 by 12 by 4 by 4. Look at this, 4 by 4 will give you 1. 67 by 12 by 1. By 1 makes no difference, so 67 by 12. Now pause the audio and video. Start to write the formulae. Best of luck.